Ah! Hey guys! Welcome to my new vlog. This is Cebu Vlog. Right now we are here at Jollibee with Robert, Carmina, Mama, Pia, Camille. So, mga sabi guys, kay gutom na kayo. Narakuha ko ano, chauffeur. Thank you boss! Bye-bye! Ah! Bye guys! Thank you. Carlos, where are you going?
Cebu.
Oh, first time airplane. Here at departure. Bye guys. Guys, we are here. So, wala na namin sa boarding. Time check is I think 7 o'clock. 6:37. Among plane kay 7:45 pa mula ganyan, 7 namang boarding. So, yeah, moro daw bis. Guys, so boarding na among flight karon. And then blessed kay among flight guys kay feel gina ako kay uban si Lord sa mo awa. Awa guys. Yes sir. Sister in the house. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so we're about to board our plane. Ano ito isa. So yeah. Bye-bye! Masakay na me! Hey guys, so na namin sa plane. Ang seat is 19D. So, kami sa window. First time ano yan. Yeah. Bye! Peace out. Pag-flash. Maka-landing namin. Aming cruise landing stations. Hey guys. May Corinthians oh. Corinthians subdivision nah Interliga Pantay mga guys Paroy Morotan ka pang landing ha so because nandun na gulo ka plane no kita ni mo ang shadow niya kita ka to?
pleased to announce that we have just landed right on schedule. For guest information, we're now currently taxiing Captain Hardy with First Officer Austin. Together with the rest of the team, we thank you for making SEPCO a part of your important moments. It was really a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly into more fun in the future. Once again, we thank you for flying SEPCO.
Excuse me po, is it okay po ba to see the cockpit ko if it's okay with the captain? I'm with my girlfriend po kasi it's her first time flying. Okay, okay. Si Ma'am Maria. Is it okay po ba to? Is it okay po ba to see the cockpit? It's her first time po kasi flying. Is it okay with the captain?
Cargo kasi namin nasa
Nandun. Okay.
yung pathway po namin.
Okay. It's okay. Thank you. Okay lang po. Thank you. Ako class B. Good evening po. Thank you. At least, ay oo, naging baggage B. Kapag katong Manilang aircraft. Ha?
Sinayin mo ba?
Ano ba ito? Sir, no? Hey guys, so we're here in Cebu City. We just landed about 5 minutes ago, 20, 15 minutes ago, 20 minutes. Okay, manaog na may. Bye bye. See you later. Hey guys, so we're here in Mactan. Mactan, diba? And then, naman. So, guys, may Gucci store yuri Ay, hindi din na Gucci store. Ay, gotta love it. Want to make new star, guys.
Poker.
This is your poker, kay mahal ba kayo? Mag-gawin sila mag roulette all on black. Bye, guys. Be first time. Kumusta ang first time?
Okay.
Huh? Love it. You're gonna love it.
Nice.
Bye-bye. Ano sa shoulder, guys? Mga bata, may sugat. Ano, Nis Papa? Nakapark ka rin siya. Pwede may gawas? Hey guys! Hi pa! What's up? Kaya social, oy. Bili na po ng mga bag din, oy. Tana. Hi, what's up? Tara, tara. Hey, love you. How are you? Ano ni butang? Nawang isa, uy. Sa RTO, og si Chechap. Hey guys! So, nanami diri bala nila Papa. Nag-shots na ako na dinner may fried chicken, nagluto si Papa. And then, wala ko video gay na kay kapoy kayo gay na. So, moro to, mamata may ugma sa'yo, kay mga ligo mig dagat, karang pa freshen up lang ba. Nanana diri Cebu, touchdown Cebu. So, moro to, bye bye, peace!